Hello. Welcome and good evening, good night. My name is Sleepy Bull with another episode of Wave Watch. Here we are giving another update of the total 2 cryptocurrency market cap. And I wanted to provide an update because a lot has happened since my last video on, the total 2 cryptocurrency market cap. I usually like to break my analysis down into 2 parts, sometimes even 3 parts. First part being trend analysis, second part being wave analysis, third part being momentum analysis. And we will begin with trend analysis, but before that, I wanted to just give a quick update on how we started off last time I did a video. I know that I had stated that we were in a WXY triangle formation, looking for continuation back to the downside. Now, I have recently changed my perspective on that. And the reason for that is a few things. Firstly, and most importantly, it has to do with the wave count of the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ QQQ. As you already know, I already did a video on the QQQ stating that it had already bottomed and was off to a new run with a max upside of 200% in the near term. And NASDAQ did just that, and it is on a rocket ship right now. All markets are correlated to some degree or another, and the SPY will do the same, and so will crypto follow suit. Now, the main difference here is that we'll put that together in a separate video. Let's separate the concerns. Now, that's the main reason why I'm changing my perspective on this. Mainly the correlation to the NASDAQ with crypto. The next reason why we could be going in a upward direction is just the way this formation is coming about. It looks like we're having a 335 or 333 formation down, or this could be just a wave 4, a wave 5 up here. Completion as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's perfectly valid. And then have a WXY. Now, in wave theory, the WXY could have a Y that is a triangle. Now, when Y is a triangle, it has to be the ending move triangle, giving a reversal. And of course, triangles have to meet the 618 requirement at least, or at most rather said. And if we count this as A, B, C, D, E, we meet our triangle reversal requirement for a wave Y. And that's why I believe this could classify as a Y wave triangle reversal. And now I honestly, to be quite honest with you all, I do not like how shallow this retracement has been for this entire 5-wave move up. It's just too shallow. Doesn't even hit the 786. Doesn't even touch it. Not even here. Not even prior all-time high. Did we hit at least the prior all-time high? We skimmed the top of the prior all-time high, and that's it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Hence why, I would prefer to see something go down here, but the market says no. So let's go with that. But yeah, back to the main conversation. So what we're seeing here is a perfectly valid WX triangle Y, ending triangle Y formation. And we'll put the wave E here. And it looks like what we've been putting in on total 2. A 1 followed by a 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's important to know, doing a trend analysis. This is step 1. Trend analysis. Let's do this ABC triangle. Let's finish this ABC triangle for you guys here. As you can see, this ABC triangle looks like this. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trend analysis on the super trend says that we're still in a downtrend. I like to use the 3 ATR. On the macro scale, we're still above the 200 week, which is bullish for all altcoins. So it's still a good time to buy altcoins if you're bullish. Let's see here. Usually on a macro time scale, when you have a crossing of these 2 EMAs, that's also a good indication of the bottom. It's always been a good indication of the bottom, so that's another one there. This looks like a potential head and shoulders reversal pattern. It's a good something to watch out for with consolidation at the neckline. So this could be a shallow 2. But the trend analysis says that it's still in a downtrend unless we break it. And we've been in a downtrend for a while, so we really might. I like to use this fan method, spoken of in a technical trading book that I recently read. So you don't confirm the break of the downtrend until we break 3 downtrend lines. This was the first. This is the second. This is the second major downtrend. But if you want to be conservative, you can make it this one. That is fine too. And this here is the third major downtrend. And if this trend is broken, then we have confirmation of third wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's look at the momentum. You already saw the wave count. Let's see here. MACD looks great on the 1 week. Let's do the 2 week. 2 week is still below the 0 line. I like seeing a green MACD below the 0 line. Most people say that's a buy signal. In my book, I won't confirm it as good until it's above the 0 line, just because that is the classic definition of an uptrend. Like as you said here, if you see here, this is a good buy signal, but this here was a fake out. So I prefer seeing this here. as well as here. Not a buy signal, but still continuation. This was a good sell signal. So yeah, momentum is there. You see here we tapped on the stochastic. Tapped on the stochastic of the 2-week. This is at 81, so I do expect a slowing down to take place. I mean, we can still push past, but I wouldn't make any promises. The monthly seems super overbought, and it looks like total 3 or total 2 is gonna have a bullish cross, of course below the 0 line, but you know, I just spoke about why I do not like those. Total 3 has a similar situation happening. You know, all in all, it's looking bullish, looking very bullish. We just have one more trend, downtrend to break. If we just take this as a wave 4, wave 5, and make this a WXY, you see on the wave structure as a WXY, we see that we bottomed roughly at the 1414 Fibonacci level. Yeah. My apologies. Exactly on the 1618. And of course, this is the simple classic answer, A, B, C down. But for some reason, especially, you know, myself, just the way I am, I prefer not to see regular simple ABC down fashion, but sometimes the simple answer is best. Another alternate count also is ABC 1 2 1 2, and then this is the beginning of the third wave within the first wave. So something like this: 1 2 3 4 5. Could be something like that. But yeah, that'll be it. That's the update. We're bullish, and this is the ending triangle wave. And yeah, that's about it. Signing off. Until next time.